Hey everybody, it's Good Time Gal and welcome back to Good Time Gal food tutorial on YouTube. For those of you just joining, my name is Christy, your Good Time Gal. This is a cooking tutorial that celebrates national food holidays for my blog, goodtimegal.blog or goodtimegal.com, and that is THYME, like the ingredient and not the event. Today is the last day of September, which is kind of sad, but it's also ushering in that nice fall. And I don't know about you, up here it's still super sunny, so I'm just holding on to the sunshine as long as I can. But I do love making mulled cider. Now, why are we doing cider and why does Good Time Gal coincide with it? Well, you know I love flavor. Good Time Gal is all about celebrating simple flavors that bring together a nostalgic moment. The holidays are coming up, so you have October, November, December, January, and even February. This cider recipe, it's wonderful for that. You can also do alcohol substitutions if you like. You can chill it and bring it around for a later date. It's one of those great drink recipes that I'm sure that you're gonna flip through every time. It's also accessible. Apple cider is in season all over. You can get it as cheap as $2.50 or as much as $30, depending on the apple cider that you get. And it is equitable. It only takes a little bit to go a long way. And you know how I am about joy and food and connecting. So let's begin. It's gonna be exactly like the recipe that's on the blog. So you're gonna need a gallon of apple cider of your choice. I chose Blake's. My family enjoys Blake's apple cider to the fullest. You're gonna need 1 orange. You're gonna need 1 apple. You're gonna need either honey or maple syrup. I'm choosing to use maple syrup today. You're going to need cinnamon sticks. I've got a few. Cloves. And then the star anise. And if you don't have that, we're just gonna do like a pinch of this. And you need allspice. That's it. Let's get started. You can choose to make your cider via stovetop or the crockpot slow cooker. I have my crockpot slow cooker, so I am going to be using it. And mine has buttons, so I'm gonna go ahead and set it. I'm gonna hit start. So it's gonna begin. I'm just gonna pour my cider in. Now that we've got this warming and the timer is set, we are going to now add our thinly sliced, and when I say thinly sliced, I mean this thin, okay? So we're just gonna add our apple slices. These always remind me of, as soon as I do this, I think, okay, time for the holidays. A coworker told me there is less than 60 days left, and that is freaking me out. Because I feel like I have so much to do. Then we're gonna add our thinly sliced oranges. And when I say thinly sliced, exactly like the apples. And I'm just making sure I stuff it to the brim, right? That's what you want. Now for garnish, I'm gonna add 2 cinnamon sticks. These are nice, these are nice size cinnamon sticks, so I don't have to use a lot. I don't have any star anise, but I still want, I want that anise flavor, so I'm just gonna do half a teaspoon of anise, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna do some cloves. And then of course, our allspice. See where we're going with this? This is a teaspoon. So 1, 2. And I'm gonna put a little more. We've got one more ingredient, and that is either your honey or your maple syrup. I'm using maple syrup. There goes 1. There goes 2. And I just stir. And then I take my slow cooker stirrer. And we're gonna let this simmer. And then when the timer goes off, we have 20 more minutes, then it'll be ready.